Hello friends, Running Kimono here. So we might have a possible run deal if you can line this up perfectly to get a trial size Downy comfy cozy toasted vanilla scent beads. That sounds like an absolutely glorious scent for 99 cents per unit. Typically these sell for I think like just under $6 over at Walgreens, like a similar shaped scent bead. You basically put it with your towels or laundry just to give it that boost of scent during laundry. So over at Kroger, they are $1. You don't have to load a coupon, nothing, and you can grab more than one. Look for them in this specific display. It's not going to be with the laundry, but it might. But it also might be on this standalone, and they want you to try it for $1. Special shout out and thank you to Instagrammer Rolling Coupon Mom. Go and follow her on Instagram. She's fantastic. Lots of Midwest deals, including Kroger. So she basically scanned it in the app, $1. She grabbed more than one. Didn't clear the shelf, but she grabbed more than one just to test it out. And she did, in fact, get a couple for $1 a pop, which is a very, very good price point. So I would move on this ASAP. Maybe check the app to see if they're in stock. And with Kroger, there's lots of affiliate stores. Here's the list. I just Googled it very quickly. If you might have one of these stores, I know like City Market is in Chicago. Fry's is on the West Coast. So, like, if you might have one of these stores, look it up in the app. Maybe just I would go to the store and check it out, especially if you love these scent beads. I know a lot of us for like towels and those sort of, we love to have that extra scent. It just makes it so much better, especially with these scent beads. It's really fantastic. Now, other stores such as the Dollar General, I'm really hoping that they get them in stock and that this $4 digital pops up. I think the manufacturer P&G is doing this at various stores, and I would love to see it at the Dollar General because I think for a lot of us that don't have a Kroger, this might be just an alternative place to find it. But because this is a new scent and they're really pushing it with that trial size, fingers and toes crossed that this might show up at the Dollar General and $4.99, $4 coupon, 99 cents. I think we know where that's going to go. A lot of us are going to stock up. Now, alternatively, if you have a Meijer grocery store, this was also advertised in the front of their flyer. However, in small town Midwest, it's not in stock yet. So you'd have to load the M-Perk, which is this, and it would make one of these 99 cents. But you can only grab one. So it's much better over at Kroger. And it has to be in this scent only for this M-Perk to work. It's not attaching to any other one. And I know that, like, I checked like 3 or 4 stores in the Meijer app. Like, are they in stock? Can you throw it into a basket? That's the easiest way to find out if it's in stock. Nothing. I did see on social media that a couple ladies in the Chicago area scored them for 99 cents, but it was like 2 shoppers on a Monday. And for the rest of us, it's like, hey, sorry, Charlie. And this M-Perk is expiring on the 24th, which is Saturday. So we're definitely losing it for the majority of us, and we're not going to be able to try it out. I don't know, maybe you could get a rain check at the service desk to get it for 99 cents when they finally get it in stock. I'm so PO'd by this, I think I might go and ask for a rain check because I really want to try it too. This is becoming the thing that I'm hyper fixated on. So if you have a Kroger store, I would definitely check it out, and maybe your Meijer has it in stock. Just put it in one of those virtual pickup baskets, see what they might have. Maybe that's the easiest thing before going to the store. But if you have a Kroger, you can get more than one, and I am so, so jealous. Good luck, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.